hard, they hate it, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball, I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life, I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like. Hold up, I shoot my shot, wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up.
Thank you very much, Transport Show, for the opportunity to work with my partner, Theomix, Carbonzone, 510, and DXN. Thank you all the partners, your effort. Congrats to you.
I needed ambition, I needed a mission to beat in submission with no intermission. I see the collision, the crash and the distance, they coming off track, no. Now when they ask what's the motive, don't talk about the show. They all about to see what I mean in the moment. I gotta keep going, I'm shaking the dice and I'm keeping it rolling, they already know. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand. Ay, we on overtime, you don't need to understand.
What do you think about the cars?
First of all, I think this is my favourite. I know this one is so much more powerful, 1,000 and something horsepower. You guys are crazy. But this is a very beautiful car. I love the new BMWs.
Thank you.
I did forget, this was automatic or manual?
Automatic.
Automatic and automatic?
Automatic also.
Okay, so both
that
automatic. Yeah, very beautiful cars, and congratulations on winning as well.
Thank you so much.
Moving fast, already gone, yeah, but you bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog, just let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing.